All right, so this was day 1 of using the Buttah skincare line. Like I said, I am going to be doing an updated review for you guys after I've used it for about a week or 2 and let you know how I like it, how it felt on my face, how it made my face feel after using it for a bit. If I have any breakouts or anything like that, I'll let you guys know. Face is fresh and clean, nothing on my face, no moisturizer, no toner, nothing. Straight out of the shower after using the Buttah cleanser. And when I tell you this cleanser had my face and still has my face feeling moisturized and I don't have anything on my face, this is the truth. Normally after I wash my face with my facial cleansers, my face feels I'm not gonna say dry because I don't use drying products, but I could tell that it strips some of the oils from my skin. With this, as I was washing it off, I could still feel like my skin was moisturized. So this, I definitely give it a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm going to let you guys know the progress after using it for about a week or 2. I'll do an updated video as well. But the cleanser definitely has my skin feeling really well. I'm going to be putting the moisturizer on. I'm going to show you guys how my face looks after that. All right, y'all. So I just finished steaming my face. My face feels and looks so good. Just finished steaming, and now I'm going to finish applying my skincare products to my face. So I have my cotton pad already with my toner. I'm just going to apply that. And you want to apply your skincare products in an up and outward motion, or inside out motion, and this helps to stretch the skin to get rid of or help decrease wrinkles, minimize wrinkles, those laugh lines. And don't forget to get your neck as well. All right, boom. So I got my toner on. Now, the next step in the Buttah skincare is going to be the vitamin C serum, your daily dose of brightening and antioxidants. So I only need about 4 to 5 drops to a freshly cleansed face, which this is a freshly cleansed face. So, and dry skin. So let's let this toner dry a little bit. All right, 4 to 5 drops. Let's see if I can listen to the directions. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I put 5 drops. All right, clean hands, inside out, work that oil in. And don't forget your neck. And your eyes. And be careful and be gentle with your eyes, because your eye area is sensitive. The vitamin C serum is not like an oily substance. It's just a serum, but it's not an oily substance. So definitely needed that 5 drops. And you can use a cotton to kind of rub it in as well, but I'm just going to use my fingers. All right. It has, I don't know what it smells like, but it has like a fresh smell, like a natural smell. All right, vitamin C serum on. I'm on my eyebrows, y'all. Wait until my birthday to get it done. All right, so vitamin C serum on, check. Next, so I told you guys that I bought 3 of the 3 different moisturizers. Today, the moisturizer that I'm going to be using is Cocoa Shea Revitalizing Cream. Okay, deeply moisture, protect, and soothe. All right, so it says massage generously over the face and neck using an upward circular motions after the vitamin C serum. So this is the last step, and you can use this daily. So generous amount. I'm going to put some on my forehead, nose area, mouth area, and cheeks. All right, and now we are going to Massage that inward, out. Once we get it around, we can start going in circular motion. And don't forget that neck area. All right. Feels so good. Smells so good and clean. No heavy fragrances, just the natural fragrances. Get those ears. And that neck area. You get with the glow, get with the highlight, get with the skin itself, y'all. Get with it. A vibrating micro facial roller. It vibrates and massages your face, and it helps to massage in your moisturizer and give your face a nice soothing feeling. It's best if you have it in the refrigerator, so it's cool. Mine is cold and it feels oh so good. But you put it in the refrigerator and take it out when you're ready to use it, and then use it to massage in your moisturizer. It feels amazing, guys. Upward and outward motions, and this helps to reduce wrinkles and any lines. It does come with another piece for your under eye area, which I will be using as well. Just twist off the attachment, pop on the other one. Cute. And here you just want to dab and hold in a spot. Older you get, you start to realize that you need to start taking care of your body and your skin a little bit more than you were when you were younger. You could get away with some things when you're younger, but as you get older, you realize, hey, it's time to get it together. Get your body right, get your skin right. So that facial massage was everything, you guys. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button if you have not yet. Join the TCL crew and leave me a comment. Let me know how you enjoyed this video and if you did or will try the Buttah skincare line. And I will see you guys later.